So welcome student. So today we are going to start with our second part of our reorder paragraph. In the previous session we have learned that which line we can put at the first place, we can put at the second place, and which words can be at the last place. Now in this session we will do some practice of the same. So this one is a bit difficult exercise, so we have to solve it. So as you have to find out the first line, the introduction line we have to find out from this. So let us do. Now see, although there are large regional variation is given, it is not infrequent to find a large number of people sitting here and there doing nothing. So can you imagine this can be the first introductory line? It can be, it cannot be. We are not sure about it. Okay, so come to the second one. Once in office, they receive friends and relatives. Yes. So what is the clue over here? The word they. Once in office, they receive. Now, what we have to find? Who are they? So this line also cannot be the first phrase. Once in office, they receive friends and relatives who feel free to call anytime without prior appointment. So what is mentioned over there? They feel free. Who feel free? We have to find out the word they. Okay. Now come to the third point. Okay, student. So come to the third point. Quite often, people will visit ailing friends and relatives to go out their way to help them in their personal matters. Okay, even the office hours. Now, this line can also be the first line because it is not a dependent line on someone. Okay, so if you have a doubt that whether it will come at the first line or not, just stay into your mind that we can be. Now look at the other point. Even those who are employed often come late to the office and leave early usually unless they are forced to be punctual. So what you can look over here, students? Even. Now, what does mean by even? Even is also a dependent connector. We have to find out for whom we are using the word even. Even those who are employed. Now, who are employed? Whom we are talking about? We have to find out that word. Who are employed? Those who are employed. Who are employed? We have to find out. Now, come to the last one. Work is not intrinsically valued in India. Work is not taken seriously in India. So, which one is the first line of this paragraph? We have to find out. So, student, as you can see, which one is a completely independent line? So, we have to find out the independent line. So, as you can see, this line is properly independent line. Why it is independent line? Because this line doesn't contain any pronoun. It doesn't contain any dependent sentence. It doesn't have any dependent sense of any another point. So what we have to find out? Work is not intrinsically valued in India. So this line first. Okay. Now how we can find out the second line? Look at the exercise. Just tell me how we can find out the second line. For finding out the second line, always focus on the last phrase of the word. The last word is India. Now, the word India is giving us the sense of, it is giving us the sense of an area or a region. Now, in which line they are talking about an area or region? This one. So, work is not intrinsically valued in India. Although there are large regional variation. Now, which one is a regional? It means India. In India, there are large regional variations, means large area-wise variation. Okay, it is not infrequent to find a large number of people sitting here and there and doing nothing. That means in India, it is most common thing that there are lots of people are there who are sitting here and there and doing nothing. So with India, but we can find out the word. We can find out the word, this one, the large regional variation. Where? In India. Okay, so this one is basically the pair. Which one? Fifth and one. This one is basically the pair. Now come to the next. Okay, once in office, they receive friends and relatives who feel free to call anytime without prior appointment. Once in office, they feel free. Once in office, they receive friends or relatives who feel free to call without any prior time. Quite often, people visit at the or go out of their way to help them in their personal matter, even in the office hours. Now, even those who are employed often come late to the office and leave unless they are forced to be punctual. Now, which can be the correct one? Where we have ended? We have ended large number of people sitting here and there doing nothing now. The large amount of people who are sitting here and there, they are completely free doing nothing. Now, this one is a connector. Yes, students. See, this one is a connector. Now, which connector? Even. Even means the opposite one. We can see the people here and there who are doing nothing. Even those who are employed. Now, employed is clue over there. Why employed? Because doing nothing people, okay, employed people. So these are basically the opposite line. Means even those who are employed, they are also coming late, they are not punctual. So that means this line is the opposite of this one. We have to strictly find out the dependent line, that for whom it is dependent. So this one is dependent of this one. Clear? Or especially the opposite connector is given, it is very easier us to find out the dependent line. Okay, so even those who are employed often come late and unless they are forced to be punctual. So their first line may be the fifth one. Work is not taken seriously in India. Second one is, although there are lots number of regional variation and it is frequent, people are sitting here and there doing nothing. Even those are employed, they are also coming late, they are also not valuing the time. See, what is the sequence over here? Work is not seriously taken in India. We can find out the clue, the region. Although there are large number of region variation, but still we can find the people who are doing nothing and sitting here and there. With doing nothing, but we can find out the clue that even those who are employed, those who have the work, who are already doing the work, they are also not taking their work seriously, coming late. And then what we can see, this one. Once in office, they receive friends or quite often people. Now, what is the problem over here? Students often get confused between these two sentences. Once in office, they receive friends and relatives who feel free call to any time without any prior appointment. Now, quite often people visit ailing friends or relatives or go out their way to help them out during office hours. Now, which clue we can find over here? That this one is in office, yani ki once when they come in the office. Now, what is the meaning of during office hours? Means the during means in between office hours. Now, we have to find out which sequence will come at first. Once they come or between office hours, yeah, during office hours. So, the line will come at the once in office they receive. When they come at the office, this sequence will come at the first. Now, this one. Once in office they come, okay, they receive friends and relatives who feel free to call anytime without prior appointment. After that, even they can visit their friends and family without any prior appointment during the office hours. During means the in between the office hours. Is that clear? So, what our answer will be? Our answer will be this one, that work is not seriously taken in India. There are lots of regional variations, still people are doing nothing. Even those who are employed, they are not serious and punctual. Once in office, when they come, still they are free to call anyone. After that, quite often they visit to their friends and family even during to the office hours. So this one is the correct sequence. So students, we have to find out the correct sequence, that which will thing happen at first, which thing will happen at the second place, and which will be happen at the last place. So hope this lecture will be clear to you. Thank you.